आप देख रहे हैं चैनल वन। दोस्तों, अगर आप अपने बिजनेस को बढ़ाना चाहते हैं तो आज ही मिलिए अलायंस बिजनेस कनेक्ट के फाउंडर प्रेसिडेंट मिस्टर सतीश लखोटिया जी से। अलायंस बिजनेस कनेक्ट एक ऐसा माध्यम है जो आपको अपने बिजनेस को ग्रो करने के सारे स्टेप्स को बताएगा। आइए हमारे चैनल के माध्यम से देखते हैं ये पूरा कार्यक्रम, और ऐसे ही खबरों को पाने के लिए चैनल वन को आज ही सब्सक्राइब कीजिए।
आए बार बार दिल ये आए तो तुम जियो हजारों साल है मेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे
Good evening, members and visitors. I have pleasure to announce that the head table we have decided to launch our second chapter in the month of October. Only 2 years back, they had the implant this system introduced in Myanmar. Just think, the system which is already for last 10, 12 years, 15 years, that was also not even introduced. So we are also working on those items so that we can have more business opportunities. We'll discuss, and that can be again business come fellowship trip, so that every member can have some fun time, some business time, and we can let us grow together. Thank you.
This is Karuna Dujari, Vastu and Vastu consultant from Karyam. Tips of the day: never keep your medicine open on table. Always keep them in a drawer or box. To know more about me, do one-to-one in coming week.
Good evening, ABC. Good evening, ABC. How many pet lovers are there? Pets lover? जो लोग घर में पेट्स को पालते हैं, ऐसे कौन कौन है? So you all have a good news. अभी तक सबने मेडिक्लेम इंसानों का सुना था, we bring it for pets also. If you want to insure your dog with a mediclaim, we are here. Do connect us, do a one-to-one. We'll provide mediclaim insurance to your pet also. Signing off, Vikram Agarwal. This last fortnight, I have given 12 outside referrals, received 7 inside referrals. One business is closed with Ishan Basir, and the business with Sajanji is going to be on a very, very big way, because we are planning a power jet with a very super structure complex.
Hello everyone, I'm Urvi Raja with my Agnes Bakery, as you all know. We are now selling a number of items which are normally available in all the top bakeries in Kolkata.
क्या आप अपने बच्चों को करोड़पति बनाना चाहते हैं? क्या आप जानते हैं कि सिर्फ 5,000 रुपए की बचत आपके बच्चों को करोड़पति बना सकती है? तो आइए मेरे पास, अपने बच्चे के सपनों को, उनके फ्यूचर को प्लान करिए। IMA सर्टिफाइड फाइनेंशियल गोल प्लानर, लास्ट 16 सालों से इस प्रोफेशन में हूँ। करेंटली अभी हमने रिसेंटली 150 करोड़ का एसेट्स अपने एडवाइजरी में अचीव किया है। 2 से 10 साल से छोटे हैं ऐसे लोगों से मुझे कनेक्ट कराइए। साइनिक ऑफ आशीष कुमार सारडा, योर म्यूचुअल फंड एडवाइजर।
Good evening friends, myself Sunil Arwal, owner of Rista Food Products, pioneered only Govind Bhog rice processor. दोस्तों, हमारी यूनिट में सिर्फ गोविंद भोग चावल का ही प्रोसेस किया जाता है। गोविंद भोग चावल की खासियत है कि खाने में काफी स्वादिष्ट होता है, इसलिए आप लोगों से रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप खाने में गोविंद भोग चावल का ही प्रयोग करें।
Good evening, ABC. I am Siddharth Jaiswal, the wealth manager of our ABC family. A SIP of 15,000 for 15 years at an annual rate of 15% every year will amount to rupees 1 crore at maturity. For more details, please do one-to-one with me. Signing off, Siddharth Jaiswal.
Good evening friends, I'm Sudha Agarwal. I'm into Poshak designer for God since 15 years. I got a Facebook page known as Poshak Designer. So please follow it.
Everybody, investing in big size bed sheet is a smart choice during the festive season. These are spacious sheets provide comfort for guests, create cozy movie nights, enhance decor, offer versatility, simplify maintenance, and ensure better sleep quality. Whenever for hosting guests or snuggling with loved ones, larger bedsheets add a layer of warmth, comfort, and festive charm to your celebrations, making your holidays memorable and comfortable. I, Sangeeta Ganeriwala, have collection of classy and good-looking bedsheets that will cater to every requirement that you have. If there is any specific need we can connect and discuss. Looking forward to hearing from you. Signing off, Sangeeta Ganeriwala.
It's a pleasure to be here with all today. My name is Shomita Talukdar. JSL Eventers is my event management company. This is my fourth event, and I must say that the ABC community has helped me in numerous ways so far. 3 one-to-one dealings in the previous fortnight and have found immense support.
Good evening, ABC. Good evening, ABC.
Good evening.
I'm not getting the energy here in the room. Can we try once more? Good evening, ABC. Good evening. Yes. You can take insurance policy for the natural calamities like fire, flood and storm. So many insurance people are sitting here. But how you will insure yourself from the disbalance of fire, water and air energies disbalance in your workplace and at your home? For that you need to do an audit of your space and get an advice of an expert Vastu consultant. Hello friends, myself Sajan Agarwal, your Vastu advisor. Please connect me for getting your place audited. My ask is property dealers and agents and my give is Sinopens.
Good evening everyone. Are you bored of the regular taps and its fading silver finish? DM us to view various finish of faucets, different colors, shapes, finish and water flow. All luxury designs at Indian prices with best deal to our ABC members. Ask Interior Designers give Ministry of Skill Department Delhi. Activities 1-to-1 with Ms. Talukdar ji. 2 outside references to her connected her to Mr. Ajay Pandey and Queenie Biswas.
Good evening everyone. I am Richa Musadi, an interior designer. From designing to execution you get all. Not only execution, you get designs also from me. Thank you.
राधे राधे मित्रों, मेरा नाम रवि खेम का, रवि टूर एंड ट्रेवल। कहीं बाहर जाना हो, रेलवे टिकट कंफर्म करने की चिंता हो, मैं हूँ। एयर टिकट चाहिए, प्राइस ज़्यादा है, मैं हूँ।
गुड इवनिंग फ्रेंड्स। जिंदगी के उतार चढ़ाव में कोई मालूम नहीं पड़ता है कहाँ खो जाते हैं, पर जब परिवार अपने साथ में हो तो हमें कन्हैया की याद आती है कि रणछोड़ हो या माखन चोर, चित चोर, कुछ भी कह लो, परंतु साथी वही बनता है। गीता का ज्ञान भी वही देता है। सेम इसी तरह इसी परिवार ने मेरे कुछ अस्तित्व जो हिल गए थे उसको सुधारता, उसके लिए मैं उन्हें सैल्यूट करता हूँ। थैंक यू। रमेश मोहरा, योर कस्टमाइज्ड टी-शर्ट्स।
I'm Raja Paul, CEO of SRTech Automation, your gate automation partner. We are automate any type of gate like sliding, swing, revolving, retractable, vertical roller, etc. We can also integrate with RFID system to any type of gates. Presently, we have installed automatic sliding gate with access control boom barrier at Nepal Consulate.
Myself Rahul Hirawat from AnandEstate.com, helping people to buy their dream homes for past 10 years. Introducing stock of the week. Whole building on sale at a peaceful location near Clover Lane, 7,500 square feet, 11 bedroom, 11 toilet, 4 dining hall, 4 kitchen, 5 balcony, 1 large terrace. It's a massive bungalow, close proximity to Gadiahat Mandalur, and available at 50% discount to market value. Connect us for site visit. Signing off, Rahul Hirawat, Anand.
Rahul Charpari from Rahul Export, exporting scarves, fabrics and garments to exporting fabrics, scarves and garments from last 20 years. 1-to-1 done with Vinod Tulsian.
Myself Pulkit Agarwal, owner of Scientific and Chemical. We are dealing in industrial chemical. In last fortnight, 1-to-1 is done with Mr. Vikram Agarwal.
Good evening ABC, I am Pratap Surana from Associated Engineers. We are into industrial automation. If someone would like to erect a house or an office or renovate the warehouse or whatever, we are always there. So signing off, Pratap Surana, Associated Engineers.
Good evening. Myself Rinku Dugat, owner of Anna Bazaar. We deal in more than 20 flavors of Bikaneri cookies made from desi ghee and butter.
Good evening MC family. I am Neeraj Thakur, your healthcare expert, where you can avail multiple services at a affordable cost. Medicine and pathology services with minimum 20% discount, with home delivery and sample pricing service. I have passed business to Mr. Gurvinder Singh and Ali Pujaji from Timber category, and I am getting continuous business from the following members: Vinit Vaid, Jitendra Podra, Sudha Agarwal, Satish Opereswar, Devin Bajoria, Alok Pudra from insurance category, Sachin Agarwal, Nivesh Kejriwal, Vivek Surana, Gaurav Mittal, and Gyani Dagani.
मेरे प्यारे एबीसी परिवार, मैं ज्ञानदीप आईटीके सॉल्यूशन से लाया हूं प्रोडक्ट सर्विसेज बेशुमार। विभिन्न टेक्नोलॉजिकल सॉल्यूशंस में करता हूं डील। कंप्यूटर, सीसीटीवी, स्मार्ट बोर्ड रूम्स जैसे प्रोडक्ट में तजुर्बा है हासिल। 18 साल से मिला है कॉर्पोरेट्स, गवर्नमेंट एवं अन्यों की सेवा करने का सौभाग्य। सबके मालिक एवं कर्मचारियों से मिला बहुत ही अनुराग। आपके रिक्वायरमेंट्स को देते हैं ठीक सुझाव। वादा है आप सबसे लगाएंगे बिल्कुल ठीक भाव।
I am Megha Agarwal under the category of graphics and digital marketing. Our services are graphic designing, social media marketing, Google AdWords, SEO. Bring us any product or service, we can market it for you. My ask cafes and restaurants, my dear Mr. Roshan Agarwal, owner of Bag Express.
Good evening, ABC. I am Nilesh Kejriwal, a practicing chartered accountant, and I help my clients in preparing their books of accounts, GST returns, income tax returns, and I also help my clients in preparing their bank loan documents. Thank you.
Good evening, ABC. I am Meenu Tulsian, practicing company secretary and consultant. Financial year ended and time to file your returns. For IT, contact Neeraj Ji, and for ROC returns, contact me.
Good evening, this is Mayur Shah. I'm in the business of electricals and real estate. We provide turnkey solutions. My viewers, anyone is interested in meeting interiors, architects, builders, you can connect to me. Thank you so much.
Good evening, ABC. Myself Kishori Kabra, representing my company KK Fashion. We deal all types of designer dresses. तेरा साथ है तो मुझे क्या कमी है? Really friends, I confident आप सबका साथ मेरे साथ है।
Good evening, ABC. Good evening. Myself, Advocate KD Singh, and my company name is the KD and Company. We deal into all works related to legal matters, civil and criminal both.
Good morning. Good evening, ABC. This is Jitendra Kumar Bodra from Harmony Global Partner. I am into wealth business coaching and distribution of financial products and services. Anybody looking for setting up the distribution in financial products and services can contact me. My ask is all financial brokers.
Hi, this is Jay from Overseas Guardians. We guide students aspiring to pursue their education abroad with an economically friendly and seamless journey. Our ultimate object is to serve as a one-stop solution for all overseas education needs.
Good evening, ABC. My name is Jagdeep Shah. My company name is Deep Consultancy. We consultancy specialists in the license-related work, like trade license, fire license, mutation, food license. Any ask? Thank you.
Robit Singh from Baisali Security Investigation Private Limited, कलकत्ता से हूँ। अगर सिक्योरिटी की आवश्यकता हो जरूर याद करिए एक बार।
Good evening. I'm Ishan Vasim. I have a referral for Mr. Gurvinder. उन्होंने बहुत अच्छी presentation दिया था। उसके बाद मैंने अपना website उनको दे दिया बनाने के लिए। Lovely presentation he gave. And I have a thank you slip to Vikram Agarwal ji. Thank you for your business. अपने बारे में एक छोटी सी कहानी बताता हूँ। 5.5 साल के पहले मैं इंडिया आया था। कहीं बाहर में भटक रहा था, कुछ कर रहा था, वापस आ गया। इसकी वीजा का प्रॉब्लम हो गया था, they kicked me out of their family. 5 years ago I started making perfume. 2 years ago I incorporated my company. 14 months ago business बढ़ गया, I opened a godown. अभी प्यार भी बढ़ गया, business भी बढ़ गया, so I am opening a showroom. On 17th of this month, विश्वकर्मा पूजा, आप लोग सब आइएगा, आपको निमंत्रण भेजेंगे, आप लोग सब आइएगा। This is Ishan Vasim, आपको दे बदबू से आजादी। Thank you.
Good evening to all. I am Manish Dhanuka, having business in dairy products, telecom industry and service center. I have attended Chai Pe Charcha with Mantri ji, given business to Pinku ji for very good snacks. Thanks to Mantri ji.
Happy Janmashtami to all. मथुरा में जन्म, गोकुल में बचपन, कुरुक्षेत्र में विश्वरूप, द्वारका में मंथन, पूरी दुनिया में है कृष्ण का असर, उनसे बड़ा कोई नहीं था ट्रैवलर। कृष्णा तो बहुत घूमे, बहुत है चमत्कारी, पर आपके लिए कौन है सहकारी?
नंद भयो
सो इस जन्माष्टमी में बहुत घर में मिठाई बनी होगी, लेकिन क्या हम सब खा पाए? किसी को डॉक्टर ने मना किया होगा तो फिर रात नहीं जग पाया होगा। मैं चाहता हूँ कि आने वाले दिवाली आप सब अपनी दिवाली मिठाई वाली मनाएं। तो अगर किसी को भी डायबिटीज है, शुगर है, प्रेशर है, एसिडिटी की समस्या है या बीवी की समस्या है, हमारे पास सबका समाधान है बिना दवाई और बिना टच किए। संपर्क करें चेतन मुरारकर से, सॉल्ट लेक स्विमिंग पूल में गुप्ता ब्रदर्स के सामने। साइनिंग ऑफ चेतन मुरारकर।
Good evening, everybody. I'm Dr. Chandrasekhar Banerjee, founder and managing director of Engineers Healthcare Solutions. We specifically deal in pharmaceutical marketing for them. So that's all for now. Thank you.
और मनपसंद पकवान के साथ पेट के रास्ते दिल को दस्तक देने वाले को विनीत सत्यम कैटरिंग कहते हैं। हैप्पी एंड लवली इवनिंग एबीसी फ्रेंड्स।
Please don't use your ABC. Myself Amit Kumar Digar, your wealth and prosperity partner. We are into equity, commodity and currency broking. Please do connect me with your friends, relatives and clients.
I'm Alok Poddar, associated with general insurance sector since last 35 years. I can do the medical policy of persons of any age. Also for those already suffered or suffering from the disease like heart, cancer, kidney and other related critical diseases. I am offering the medical policy for them also. Kindly refer your connect to me. Thank you.
Good evening everyone, this is Akshay Agarwal representing my company SSA Credla Private Limited, working as a SME business advisor. Do you know that companies having 10 and more employees mandatorily required to have an internal complaints committee under Prevention of Sexual Harassment Act 2013? Failing to have one will result in hefty penalties and legal proceedings. Let's have a one-to-one to know how it can be implemented in your organization. My weekly activity includes one-to-one with Mrs. Samita Talukdar. Signing off, Akshay Agarwal.
चलती का नाम गाड़ी और रुक जाए तो सब पे भारी, अब रुकने ना दे अपनी गाड़ी, कराए चेक उसे हमसे बारी बारी। गुड इवनिंग एबीसी, दिस इज आतिश माकरिया फ्रॉम कार्स, a one stop solution for any type of car problem, either it's servicing, AC or paint work.
বাড়ি দাম করানো থাকে আমার সঙ্গে যোগাযোগ করবেন। अवेलेबल 20% ডিসকাউন্ট মার্কেট প্রাইস থেকে। থ্যাংক ইউ।
Good evening everyone. My name is Madhu Jaiswal and we own our interior designing firm which is Section Associates, and we undertake residential and commercial projects. So I would request you to connect me whoever is into requirement of interior design.
I am Shailesh Garaniwal and I am into laptop repair and maintenance. If anybody has any problem regarding this, I want any suggestion from me.
This is Rajesh Jaldodia. We are in the business of modular kitchen and wardrobes, named Blue Kitchen and Structure Kuchina.
Hello, good evening everybody. I am Satyajit Roy from Triton Ventures, Triton FMS. We are into security and facility management.
Good evening ABC, myself Rahul Kumar, Transport, National Logistics, Service Transport by Road and Rail, all over India, full truck service and part service, all Northeast. Thank you.
Good evening ABC. Seeing is believing. Till now you have seen Gangapitan Award on your WhatsApp. Festive season is upcoming. Book early to avoid rush. Signing off, Rakesh Jaiswal.
Here from JB Steels, we deal in iron and steel products. For any query related to iron and steel products, please connect to me. Thank you.
Name Shaman Kumar from Manav Surgeon. Professor HR.
Good evening ABC family and visitors. Just as Chandrayaan 3 achieved lunar success, our tiles elevate space. Like Chandrayaan's precision, our tiles are crafted with accuracy.
Sandeep Kejriwal from DKT Enterprise. We deal in all types of industrial fasteners and lifting materials. Our main products are bolt nut, washer, studs, wire rope, etc. We specialize in non-regular sizes of these products.
सभी को कृष्ण जन्माष्टमी की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। हाथी घोड़ा पाल की, जय कन्हैया लाल की, LIC जीवन तरुण पॉलिसी जरूर ले अपने लड्डू लाल बाल गोपाल की। हमें बाल बीमा की जरूरत क्यों है? पहला, हमारे बच्चे के भविष्य को सुरक्षित करने के लिए। दूसरा, हमारे बच्चे को बेहतर कैरियर देने के लिए। तीसरा, हमारे बच्चे के सपने को पूरा करने के लिए। अभी नहीं तो कभी नहीं, आज ही बाल बीमा करवाने के लिए मुझसे संपर्क करें। आपका दोस्त LIC आदित्य कसेरा। माय एक्टिविटीज डन 2-1-1 with Mr. Ronak Moore and Pulkit Agarwal, and one thank you slip of rupees 28,500 in favor of Mr. Ronak Moore. Thank you.
Good evening members. I, Rajiv Sikri, Vastu and Feng Consultant, who have given talks on TV. Apart from delivering lectures on my subject, I have been in this field from the last 23 years having my showroom Function Towers on AJC Bose Road. I do write articles for the Indian largest property portal 99acres.com and some reputed magazines, and advise renowned personalities from Tollywood, fashion world and industry. Thank you.
Good evening everyone and a warm welcome to all the visitors. Myself Preeti Mantri, CEO of Desi Videsi. It's a one-stop solution for all your food cravings. Special thanks to each one of you who could attend it. Thank you.
Good evening, friends. Myself, Brisbane Mundra from Southern Corporate Consultants Private Limited. We are into loan syndication for last 25 years, catering to all types of corporates, MSMEs and individuals. अभी एक नया प्रोडक्ट निकला है 25 लाख से 5 करोड़ तक का लोन विदाउट कोलेटरल, and that too can be done within 7 to 10 days. If anyone is interested, somebody will. The major criteria for that is you must be having a running business. ITR होगा नहीं होगा चलेगा, अगले साल जमा होगा तब भी चलेगा. That's all. अभी और मैं किसी पर फोकस नहीं कर रहा हूँ. That is 25 lakh to 5 crore. And I have done one-to-one with Ronak and Fiti and passed business to Megha Agarwal for 16,000 rupees per month and to Isan Basim. Thank you.
Good evening, friends. Myself Satish Laputia from Larika Estates Limited, your real estate partner. We are in the business of affordable housing. This week, this fortnight, I had 5 one-to-ones, 3 referral pass, and 3 business closed. Thank you.
First, financial solutions हैं किसी भी business के लिए, national and international.
I'm Rahul Dev Shah, substituting Captain Balram Goswami, Vivis Hotel and Resort Goa.
Naveen Bihani, numerology consultant. I also deal in various occult products like Rudraksh, essential oils, herbs, etc. Thank you.
Myself Vivek Getam Saria, in the honor of Ambika Diamond. We are deals in natural diamonds and gold chain. Thank you very much.
My company name is Trend Laminates. We at Trend have a wide range of laminates and highlighters panels for all your interior and exterior needs. Please do a one-to-one to know more about my products. Thank you.
Hello friends, I am Siv Keshan, owner of Simplex India Marketing Company, located at College Street.
Sagar Ramakhani, I'm representing my company, Universal Electric Company. We deal in different kind of lightings, in different brands and electrical goods, supply for interiors, architects, workshops, industrial products, non-industrial products, everything. My sponsor is Rajiv Sikri Uncle. Thank you.
Clothes, I have a concept store which is the first in Calcutta. So we deal with everything that is under 999. I have tunics, shirts, dresses, everything that you would need in everyday wear.
Srikanth Bagla from Steel Swastik Jewels. I am into diamond jewelry and my sponsor is Devendra Bajoria.
Hello. Hi. Yeah. How are you? Good and late. Sorry for late and good for good. I am Advocate Gunjan Shah. I am practicing before the Honorable High Court at Calcutta and also all over West Bengal, and I am always there for any legal problems for you. Thank you.
Sing a beautiful song for our founder and mentor.